So let's prepare for meditation together. I invite you to take a few deep breaths as we breathe in a meditation time, opening our hearts to the divine understanding of love. So right where we are, we simply relax, breathing into this moment, knowing that there is no place to go to get more God, that all Godness is right here, right now, unfolding in and as and through this moment. That in fact, this moment contains within it all of the resources necessary and needed to embody love in its highest form. The spirit of love among us is the inexhaustible resource of this universe in which we live, move, and have our being. So we take a deep breath into that knowing, deeply inhaling and allowing ourselves to have a complete exhale. On the next inhale, drawing the spine long and the crown of the head high. And exhaling, releasing any tension. Love is our divine birthright. It is not something that needs to be earned. It is not something that can be taken away. When we remember this truth, we engage in our ability to tap into love in all moments. Love is everywhere. Love is the very fabric of our being. Charles Fillmore called love the great harmonizing faculty. It restores peace and order. So as we breathe into this moment, let us acknowledge that we are filled from center to circumference with love, from head to toe. We radiate this essence within our beings and to our world. There is no way to cut ourselves off from this source because we are one with the source of love itself. Breathe into that truth. We live and move and have our beings in love. I live and move and have my being in love. Breathe in that affirmation for self. As we breathe in that truth, we allow ourselves to become still. Leaning into the stillness, right here and right now. We allow ourselves a sacred time of 3 minutes in the silence. Inhaling and exhaling as the pure presence of love. Gently, we bring our attention back to this moment, feeling movement within the body, feeling peace. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we are born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.